is!
Let's build something amazing! Watch closely, this colorful robot might just come to life.
We can build something incredible!
Maybe a castle?
Nope, a super robot.
With giant mechanical arms.
And glowing eyes. With colorful buttons. To build a strong robot, they needed a smart plan. Big boxes would make the feet. Medium boxes would become the tummy. Small square boxes would build the arms and head.
1, 2, 3. These giant squares can hold the robot steady.
Yay, it's working! The robot needed a big, strong body. Wow, it's getting so tall! This robot is huge! I'll tape the giant squares together. Now came the tricky puzzle parts. Old tape rolls for spinning ears, bottle caps for blinking buttons, tiny flaps for robot fingers, attaching the arms with cardboard hinges. Beep! Boop! Whirr! I'm alive, thanks friends! Brown cardboard slowly transformed into a rainbow masterpiece with blue buttons and yellow stars, red rocket arms, splash swirl paint.
The robot became brighter with every brush stroke.
Yay!
The cardboard robot wiggled its giant arms. Dolly and Lion danced around their new recycled friend. Robot friend strong and bright, made from scraps with pure delight. Reuse, recycle, dream and play. Let imagination lead the way. Amazing things can come from simple scraps.
Every box can become an adventure.
What will you build from recycling today? See you next craft day. Bye!
Get set happy!
Get set happy's craft house kid. Show your art and shout hurrah!